What's up, everyone? Dr. Bell here with another supplement review, and today we will be talking about cod liver oil, specifically the Carlson brand cod liver oil. They are like famous for that. Cod liver is more than just an old time remedy than just your grandma saying, eat your cod or take a spoonful of cod liver, okay? It's packed with, with nutrients essential for maintaining heart, brain, vision, and joint health. Just a teaspoon of Carlson's cod liver oil provides 1,100 milligrams of omega 3s. That's a lot, including EPA and DHA, vitamin A, vitamin D, and which are pivotal for your body's well being. So the key benefits, firstly, are the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA in cod liver oil, and they're known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They play a crucial role in cell membrane function and can significantly reduce inflammation markers, promoting overall health. You've heard omega-3 versus omega-6 ratios. So basically, a lot of the foods we eat with the oils that are in them are omega-6, and what we really need is higher omega-3. So this helps get that ratio better and get your omega-3 intakes. Before we talk any more about cod liver oil and the Carlson brand, I do want to say this is for educational purposes only. Talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. That's super important. This is not medical advice. And if you didn't know, everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through a full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Better prices than Amazon, better prices than anywhere else online. This is our best-selling cod liver oil on our store. You get free shipping, free returns, and it doesn't cost you anything to join. And we have your favorite brands there: Thorne, Metagenics, Microbiome Labs, Designs for Health, Pure Encapsulations, you name it, high quality, they're there and at a discount. All right, so we talked about the fatty acids that are in it, EPA and DHA, but cod liver is also an excellent source of vitamins D and A. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, aiding in calcium and phosphorus absorption, essential for strong bones and teeth. Plus, it helps your immune system. So if you can't get out in the sun as much, this is an awesome thing for you. And it also has a lot of vitamin A. And vitamin A, on the other hand, is vital for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It's like a multitasker that your body loves. So one of the big differences between cod liver oil and regular fish oils is you've got that vitamin A and that vitamin D in it. And Carlson Cod Liver Oil stands out for its sustainability and quality. They're sourced from the Arctic waters, and it's processed with care to retain its nutritional value and purity. They've won a ton of awards, and one of the big things when it does come to fish oils or cod liver oil is the burps. So when you take a pill or when you drink it, you burp it up a lot. Doesn't happen with this, and it tastes good too, so it's easy to give to kids. All right, so the question is, how does this affect my health in real terms? Studies have linked cod liver oil to reduce inflammation, improved heart health, and even better childhood outcomes. For athletes, it can mean less inflammation post-competition. For expectant mothers, it can mean a healthier pregnancy. And then they're also doing a bunch of studies on it for like emerging uses. It's got antibacterial properties, supports bone health in older adults. So there's just a ton of stuff. It's a great, great, great fish oil. So whether you're looking to boost your heart health, reduce inflammation, support your body's natural functions, Carlson Cod Liver Oil might be the supplement you are looking for. All right, that's all for today. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget, you can get Carlson Cod Liver Oil and their other products at a steep discount through a full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, free shipping, free returns. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, stay energized, stay informed. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Dr. Bell.